Welcome to online classes, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1 of general knowledge, the importance of right values. Class 5. Our values inform our thoughts and words and actions. Our values are important because they help us to grow and develop. The decisions we make are reflection of our values. The importance of right values. In this picture we can see the right values: importance, patience, loyalty, responsibility, hard work, kindness, respect, humility, honesty. All these known as right values. First picture of honesty. Meaning of honesty: being truthful and sincere. From these pictures we can learn what is honesty. There's one quote here: no legacy is so rich as honesty. Next picture: respect, honoring others. There is no respect for others without humility in oneself. We should respect our elders. We should respect everyone. Third picture: kindness, thoughtful towards others. Kindness make you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. So you can see in this picture how the kind people towards the others. In first picture you can see the boy, other picture the friends, and in third picture you can see a small girl helping the other small puppy. And the third thing, in the fourth picture you can see a boy, kindness for the dog. Come to the other picture: responsibility, being answerable and performing one's duty, known as responsibility. Right? It's only when you take responsibility then you discover how powerful you are. Right? The next picture: cooperation, working together, helping families and friends, known as cooperation. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. These pictures shown to you, that's showing the meaning of real cooperation in the classrooms, in offices, in home, everywhere. Courage. I think this one is the important value in our life, that is known as strength in our life. That strength in the face of difficulty and bravery. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is courage that continues that counts. So in this picture we can see the student life courage. When we are answerable towards our teachers, towards our society, towards everywhere, we are responsible for everything, and we have courage to face every difficulty. That is bravery, that is courage. Okay student, next picture: forgiveness. We can say this is the thoughts of beliefs which help us to grow. Forgiveness, to pardon. Forgiveness is attribute of the strong. If you are strong, then you can forgive the others. This is the one of good thing or good value in yourself. Forgiveness. Come to the next picture: gratitude, quality of being thankful and appreciative. Everything whatever you have in your life, you should be thankful and appreciative towards that thing. It's not joy that make us grateful. Please listen carefully. It's not joy that make us grateful, it's gratitude that make us joyful. This is the last value in our life, that gratitude, that we should grateful for the everything that we have in our life. Okay students, thank you.